to apply for freelancer job. So freelancing is a uh, great way to make money at your own place. You have the power to choose silent as well as set your owner horse and payment rate. So it's a popular way to exam extra money. There are over 50 million freelancers in the US alone. So alone and are two among many with success stories in the industries. You can offer all kinds of freelancer service. Some of the most shocks offer freelancer skill include web design and development, translating, accounting, and web production. Okay, so to get started, sign up on your on some of this freelancer website and start shooting for gigs. Upwork focus on large projects that require freelancer with specific skill. Freelancer and more than so freelancer provide over 1800 categories of freelancer work opportunity guide offers project from individual or small to middle-sized business. If you want to improve your sense of landing high-paying project, consider creating an online portfolio. So thank you everyone.